community, a group of people who live in a certain place. Urban, suburban, or rural.
Rural.
Right? That's how you say it?
Rural.
Okay. I think I got it. You got it? Well, let's get it together.
First up, urban communities, which are called cities usually. The population is high. Many people live there, lots of faces to see and stories to share. The buildings in cities are packed real close. Some are skyscrapers, they're tall like whoa. The places you go are a quick walk away. If not, there's a bus or a subway. There's lots of different culture in cities. People could speak French or speak Hindi. There's lots to do and lots to see, so check out Rio, Rome, or Tokyo.
Big city, bright lights, that's urban. A house with a yard, yeah, that's suburban. And rural areas is country life, and you can see all the stars at night. Big city, bright lights, that's urban. A house with a yard, yeah, that's suburban. And rural areas is country life, and you can see all the stars at night.
Right, what's near the city but has more space? A suburban community, yeah, that's the place. Lots of people who work in the city live in the suburbs. You can get there quickly. Homes in the suburbs are farther apart, so your dog Sparky has a backyard in the suburbs. Most people drive, cause from school to home can be a little while. Suburbs have woods and streams and lakes. You might see a rabbit, you might see a snake. So if you want some city and some nature too, suburban life just might be for you.
Big city, bright lights, that's urban. A house with a yard, yeah, that's suburban. And rural areas is country life, and you can see all the stars at night. Big city, bright lights, that's urban. A house with a yard, yeah, that's suburban. And rural areas is country life, and you can see all the stars at night.
Right, as far out as you can go are rural areas with country roads in the country. People live far apart. Lots of fields, forests, and farms. Fewer people live there and it can be quiet. If you like nature, you might like it. Kids ride to school in a school bus. Might take a little while, but they don't fuss. Our food comes from farms in the country, so think rural when you're hungry. In rural areas, it's really dark at night, so you might see a star shoot across the sky. Now check out these pictures and tell me, what type of community do you see? What's this one? And this one? How about this one? Now one more, can you spot it? Check it. Now you know the 3 community types. What type of community do you live in?